So trimming sirloin roast, we're gonna pull out the fat. If there's a floating bone, we pull out the floating bone and then just make the roast symmetrical. So next one, we've got this lean piece, fatty piece, lean piece. And I'll make these symmetrical. Do what? Oh, nice. Cut that fat. Symmetrical, floating bone.
Alexa, pause.
Cut the meat out and the lean. It's just the same thing over and over. I'm gonna look for these glands right here. Make sure you cut off those glands. There's also a gland in the tip right here. So when you're cutting that fat, make sure that doesn't go into trim.